Welcome to our instructional video on solving single or double inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality m-2 multiplied by the quantity of m-3 is less than 5, multiplied by the quantity of m+1 minus 12. We will walk through the steps needed to simplify and solve this inequality. Stay tuned for the step-by-step solution. To solve the inequality, -2 times m-3 is less than 5 times m plus 1 minus 12, we need to start by simplifying both sides of the inequality. On the left side of the inequality, we distribute -2 into the expression m-3. When we distribute, it means we multiply -2 by each term inside. So -2 times m gives us -2m. Next, -2 times -3 gives us +6. Now, the left side of the inequality, -2 times m minus 3, becomes -2m plus 6. On the right side, we distribute 5 into the expression m+1. This means we multiply 5 by each term inside. So 5 times m gives us 5m. Next, 5 times 1 gives us 5. Now the right side of the inequality, 5 times m plus 1 becomes 5m plus 5. We then subtract 12 from both sides because the original inequality also has minus 12 on the right side. So 5m plus 5 minus 12 simplifies to 5m minus 7. After simplifying both sides, our inequality now reads -2m plus 6 is less than 5m minus 7. Next, we need to isolate the variable m on one side of the inequality. To do this, let's start by eliminating the term involving m from one side. I will move all terms involving m to the left side by subtracting 5m from both sides of the inequality. So we have -2m plus 6 minus 5m is less than 5m minus 7 minus 5m. On the left side, -2m minus 5m combines to give us -7m, which makes the left side -7m plus 6. On the right side, 5m minus 5m cancels out and only -7 remains. Thus, our inequality now is -7m plus 6 is less than -7. Now, we want to isolate the term involving m by getting rid of the constant term on the left side. We do this by subtracting 6 from both sides of the inequality. So -7m plus 6 minus 6 is less than -7 minus 6. This simplifies to -7m on the left side, and -7 minus 6 gives us -13 on the right side. So the inequality now reads -7m is less than -13. Finally, we need to solve for m by dividing both sides of the inequality by -7. Remember, when we divide or multiply both sides of an inequality by a negative number, the direction of the inequality sign reverses. So -7m divided by -7 is greater than -13 divided by -7. This simplifies to m is greater than 13 over 7. In interval notation, this translates to the interval from 13 over 7 to positive infinity. Therefore, the solution to the inequality -2 times m minus 3 is less than 5 times m plus 1 minus 12 is m is greater than 13 over 7, or interval notation 13 over 7 to positive infinity. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.